We're going to be over here at the Kentucky Fairgrounds. Check out the bobtail line at the truck show. Got a few vendors over here. A day cab, Peterbilt, a double bunk, KW, show trucks, Ravenna, Ohio, represented. That's another 2 or 3 hours past me. Pretty sick turbo setup here, among other things. Try to do the whole show here. He's running that east bed on that guy. Got him a new dump truck. Nice. Engine builders are here. Performance diesel guys. Some heavy metallic action going on there. So you see how that guy's as tall as the truck is. He's a tall guy. This one. There's Greg Kendall, he's still in business, I guess. He's from across the river. Got him a show truck here this year. Wow, this is nice, beautiful. Take one. So we don't know what to think about this one. I thought everyone's got their chairs over here. They're like camped out around this one looking at it this morning anyway. I thought they were having a meeting over here. That's kind of crazy how they did that. Huh. So this guy set out laminate flooring. And these guys are with 4 states over here, some of them. From the cable television people. And then, I guess that floor will hold, but if it rains, you're not supposed to get that floor wet, or... They showed a video of them building that floor to drive the truck on, and then, it's all brand new out of the box. Laminate flooring. Wild looking trailer, isn't it? Whatever they're hauling, and looks pressurized like a helium trailer. It's on TV or something. Some kind of TV show they have. That's like quite a ways at Henderson, Texas. I've seen 2 grills like that on show trucks here today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this film off, I guess. How far? Yeah. Lights on top of lights. So yeah, he's got his tri-state thing there. Wild looking sleeper delete. And yeah, pretty serious about getting a trophy here today, I think. Yeah, this day was a long day in the coming. I didn't know if we were gonna get it or not. Actually, they planned on having this show last year, and it didn't happen. So we've waited 3 years to have the 50th.